Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Empresa Elementary School in Oceanside, California. My second visit for this school year. I've been here many times in the past, but today's focus for the after-school program, the AM/PM students and staff, was about perseverance, the sub-theme being have a growth mindset. And this topic is pretty much my positivity, be your best self, part 2, but it is always talking about having this positive outlook on life, no matter what we're going to go through, have gone through, or are currently going through. And it's something that's so important that if we can embed this and these concepts, these principles into these young brains and hearts at a very young age, hopefully it's going to stick with them for years to come, right? And I share a lot of stories, some kids their age that have gone through immense loss in their life, a person without limbs, but still choosing to have a positive mentality each and every day. And that's not easy to do. It's easy to quit. It's easy to give up. It's easy if we make a mistake or we fail once or twice that we just don't even want to try anymore. But, those mistakes are what can help us learn, right? To not be afraid to fail, right? To know that all of us always have a choice. And I think that's an important piece. What I really tried to reinforce today and throughout this presentation is this idea to start creating this healthy habit, right? Even at a young age, where we are being kind to our mind and really trying to truly always focus on the positive, right? It's very easy in human nature to sometimes focus on the negative, but it's something that can get us through a lot of future storms, a lot of tough situations that eventually, yes, we will face. And to have that type of approach is huge. And that really ties into the growth mindset concept as well. And, we talk about having a fixed mindset or a growth, and growth is what you want. Growth is where you're willing to grow, right? Where you want to grow. You have that desire to keep getting better each and every day, versus a fixed. It's more just, I'm just going to stay in one spot. I'm not really going to try anymore. And further, it's something where you're just kind of stagnant, like in the same spot, right? And, the way that plants grow, the way that people grow in general, we have to take care of ourselves, right? We have to be kind to ourselves. We have to keep helping our heart. And we do that by talking kindly to ourselves, whatever you tell your brain and heart it's going to believe. But we also do that by helping others too, right? And the more that we can get out there and make a difference, impact the lives around us, it really brings that type of joy, right? So we did talk about, part of this growth mindset is not just, for ourselves, having that self-respect, knowing that self-worth, like the miracle concept I talk about in all my assemblies, the M and Oliver Palms, but it's also having that respect towards others, right? And encouraging others to do their best, right? And this also means, that we're really trying, our best to make sure that our heart's behind it, the right energy. It's one thing to say kind words, it's one thing to talk about it. But unless your actions, your body language, your heart, your energy, everything matches that, then it's really maybe not making as big of an impact as it could. And so that's what I really tried to hammer home throughout today's presentation. There was a lot of head nods, a lot of pin drop moments, so I know something really stuck home for them. And I love, this topic in general, because like the shirt says that I wear for this program too, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose, because if you're feeling down, feeling sad, or looking down, it says keep your head up. Reminder to always think positive no matter what. So thanks for touching my heart. It's great to see all of you. I'll be back in May for one last visit this school year. Until then though, have a great next few months. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.